Saturday night, 10 o'clock, and I'm going to take out this sew-in. It's been in my head for officially 2 months now, and it's just time to come out.
I do not believe that you owe a half month's rent for a amount of time where people are sick and you can't use the place.
This morning I did wake up and take out all the braids. It took me like a total of 3 hours to get this out of my head. In the meantime, I'm just gonna put it up and try to figure out where I'm gonna get my hair done at. So later this day, I was messaging a new friend that I met here, and I realized on her WhatsApp photo, she had these really beautiful butterfly locks. So I asked her where she got them done at. She sent me the girl's information. When I reached out to the braider, she told me the cost, which was about $60 US, and it included the hair. So I immediately made the appointment for the next day. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and I'm finally gonna wash my hair. Stopped at Clicks, and I got this conditioner because it was like the cheapest one I saw, and I wanted to try a brand that I wasn't familiar with. So this is by the brand Organics, and it is organic shea butter conditioner, and I'm just gonna use this to detangle my hair. And I realized I didn't have like a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, but I did find this detangling brush that separates, which I've never tried one of these before, so I'm excited. And then after I detangle my hair, I am going to wash it and condition it. Here's my hair all washed out. I apologize that the lighting is terrible in here. You can see I got some straight ends. My ends became straight after the keratin treatment, so it's just something to note if you are thinking about doing an at-home keratin treatment. But I need to come with my hair in a stretched out state, so I'm going to braid it really tight. I think I'm just going to do 4 braids and let it air dry overnight. I don't have a blow dryer, so I can't blow dry it, nor do I plan to get one at this point. So also the conditioner, I felt like it was just like any average cheap conditioner. That was going to be a little bit thicker since it had shea butter in there, but it got the job done. I just needed it to detangle my hair. But this brush is absolutely fantastic. I never used a brush like this, but I do absolutely love it. Finally, the day I'm gonna get my hair done. Ended up straightening my hair yesterday because I thought I had a shoot, and then it got canceled. So then what I did was braid it back up, and I like wet it to give it some texture because I need texture for the braids to like hold in there. And hopefully this is enough texture for her to work with. My braid appointment is at 9 and it's about 8:20, so I'm gonna head over in a second. What's up? It's the next day and my camera died, so I couldn't finish off the video, and I went ahead and just styled the locks. Love them so much. I have it in a little top bun here, and then they come right to the bottom of my waist. But let me know what you guys think of these braids in the comment section below. I will also have the braider's Instagram linked below, and if you're in Cape Town, definitely reach out to her. She is so sweet and she's really talented. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one,
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work